morning everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about Manadale, a premium residential development located at Kodathi off Sarjapur Road, Bangalore. If you are looking for a spacious home with a premium amenities, modern architecture and excellent connectivity to Bangalore's major IT hub, then this project is definitely worth considering. In this video, we are going to talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Mana Dale is a thoughtfully planned residential project by Mana Projects spread across approximately 6.97 acres, and the project features 6 premium residential towers with a configuration of 3 basement plus ground plus 28 floors. It offers spacious 3 and 4 BHK luxury residences designed with contemporary architecture, smart layout, abundant natural light, and excellent cross ventilation. The project also focuses on landscape open spaces and premium lifestyle amenities, making it ideal for modern families. Now let's talk about one of its biggest highlight, its location. Mana Dale is strategically located on Gathali Road, Kodathi, just off Sarjapur Road, offering seamless connectivity to Bangalore's major IT corridors and business hubs. Ambalipura on Sarjapur Road is just around 15 minutes away, while Decathlon and D-Mart are both approximately 10 minutes from the project. Reputed international school, multi-specialty hospitals, restaurants, cafes, and daily convenience stores are all nearby. The project also enjoys easy access to Electronic City, Outer Ring Road, and major IT parks, making everyday commuting much more convenient. Coming to the lifestyle amenities, so Mana Dale offers 50 plus lifestyle amenities designed for residents of all age group. You will find a grand clubhouse, a fully equipped gym, a swimming pool, a party lawn, jogging track, a children play area, beautifully landscaped garden, yoga and meditation zone, a multi-purpose hall, along with a 24/7 security and CCTV surveillance. Also, the internal specifications are equally impressive. Every home comes with a premium vitrified flooring, spacious living and dining areas, modular kitchen provision, premium CP and sanitary fittings, large windows for natural light, and earthquake resistant RCC structure, high quality electrical fittings, and elegant contemporary finishes. Now talking about the apartment configuration, so the 3 BHK residences are available in sizes ranging from approximately 1482 to 1822 square feet, with the prices starting from 1.74 crore rupees onwards. For buyers looking for even more space, the project also offers 4 BHK residences with an area of approximately 2145 square feet. Pricing for the 4 BHK unit is available on request. Another nice feature is the floor planning. There are only 4 apartments on each floor, served by 3 high-speed elevator and 2 staircases. The project also provides multi-level basement parking, helping maintain organized vehicle movement while preserving open landscape spaces. Possession will be as per the approved RERA schedule. From an investment perspective, Sarjapur Road continues to be one of Bangalore's fastest growing residential corridor. With excellent connectivity to major IT park, international school, healthcare facilities, and continuously improving infrastructure, the area has seen strong demand from both home buyers and investors. That makes Mana Dale a promising option for long-term appreciation as well. So what makes this project stand out? A premium location at Kodathi near Sarjapur Road, a 6.97 acre development, 6 high-rise tower, spacious 3 and 4 BHK residences, 50 plus lifestyle amenities, only 4 apartment per floor, premium clubhouse and sport facilities, and excellent connectivity to Bangalore's IT hubs. Overall, if you are looking for a premium home that offers spacious layout, modern amenities, quality construction, and a well-connected location, then Mana Dale is definitely a project worth considering. For brochure, latest pricing detail, payment plan, या अगर आप साइट विजिट बुक करना चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया लिंक आप जरूर चेक करें, और ऐसी ही प्रीमियम प्रॉपर्टी वीडियोस के लिए प्रॉपर्टी क्लाउड को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिए। प्रॉपर्टी क्लाउड एक प्रॉपटेक कंपनी है जो आपको डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट करती है डेवलपर्स के साथ आपके होम बाइंग प्रोसेस को आसान बनाने के लिए, और उसी के साथ आपको यहाँ मिलते हैं कई सारे बेनिफिट्स जैसे स्पॉट डिस्काउंट, जीरो ब्रोकरेज, फ्री पिकअप एंड ड्रॉप सर्विसेज और भी कई सारी चीज़ें।